You click on this video to find out how to use clips of any movie on your YouTube videos without getting copyright. Well, you're at the right place. There are 4 things that I am going to share with you. If you follow these 4 things, your videos will definitely monetize. First, the duration of the copyrighted content. Well, you cannot use a clip of any movie for a long time. The length of each clip must be short, from 5 to 15 seconds. If you use clip of movies for a long time, you might get copyright claims on that video. In other words, you can use clips as much as you like, just the duration of each clip should be short. Second, fair use. You can use clips of a movie only under fair use. Means you can use clips of movie on your videos for some limited purposes like works of commentary, criticism, research, teaching, or news reporting will be considered fair use. You need to remember that your videos must be under educational goals. For example, if you make an educational video with some movies clips in between for entertaining your viewers, that will be fine. And if you use movie clips for reviews or to explain something, that will be fine too. But if you are going to use clips with just background music without voice and educational purpose, just like compilation channels, your video will not be monetized at all if you use clips for this purpose. Third, add a copyright disclaimer or give credit. Adding a disclaimer or attribution in your descriptions will go a little towards solving your copyright issues. Well, it's not guaranteed, but it may work out because they might feel glad when they see those credits. And who knows that they have changed their decision. On the other hand, a disclaimer notice indicates to the copyright owner that the video is being used fairly. Fourth, transform the video. If you want to use clips of any movies or any copyrighted content, you need to transform the video properly. It must be a little bit different from the original video. For example, you can change the background music, you can add some effects, editing bunch of clips together, cropping, etc. That's all I have to say. I am 100% sure that your videos are going to be monetized. Subscribe to this channel or I'll delete YouTube app from your device. See you on the next video.